What are you guys doing? Is this your first day? Is this your first day?
Yeah.
Get your ball. Come on. Come on.
Your daughter's gonna be a pain this year. She doesn't
Hey,
want to be out there.
Okay, we'll just put her in
Lando, is this your first year?
Just let her play.
Kick the ball. Kick it.
I didn't know you were going to be on my team too. I'm not. I'm just
saving for the ice cream now.
Come on. Kick it.
Me?
Woohoo. Look at that.
I'm just gonna get him for Brody.
Theo!
Doesn't matter when you make him have size.
Look at him. I'm gonna get ice cream. Thank you, Mackenzie.
Yeah.
Why are you getting ice cream? Because I like it.
Okay, put your ball down, Lando. No hands.
Face this way.
Golden rule.
Better? Jeez, look at me.
Here, kick it hard. Wow.
Are you going to Mackenzie?